In this episode, I'm going to take you inside this decadent fortress and show you how the king of Udaipur and his family lived. And, drawing inspiration from them, I'm going to see if I can reimagine royal fashion for today's gentleman with a series of looks with bundis that I'm pretty sure you're going to love. In November 1567, the mighty Emperor Akbar attacked Mewar, what is now called Udaipur, and laid siege on its capital Chittorgarh, which forced Maharana Uday Singh, the founder and namesake of Udaipur, to move to Gogunda, a fortress surrounded by 15 kilometers of impassable forest around it. My name is Ridge Epen, and you're watching The Gentleman's Code. Surrounded by the Aravalli Range and the scenic farmlands of Gogunda, this destination hotel is the perfect escape into a world of history. A testament to these opulent surroundings is his first look. A black velvet 3-button open bundi worn over a plain white shirt teamed with slim black trousers and tan double monk strap shoes, beautifully juxtapositioned against the ages-old charm of this ancient fortress, with its imposing doors, jharokas, miniature windows, turrets, passages, and secret tunnels, the ideal getaway from the hustle of city life. The 40 grand suites and rooms offer a treasure trove of experiences for connoisseurs of heritage, design, and history, with each room and suite having unique art, murals, and craftsmanship from the vast repertoire of Mewar's ancient art forms. The Raj Tilak Suite was a celebrated venue that witnessed the magnificent coronation of Kunwar Pratap Singh, giving him the title of Maharana Pratap. The history, artwork, and sheer magnificence of the Raj Tilak Suite inspired the second look in the series. A rust-colored half jacket worn over a subtle pink Jaipur collared shirt paired with striped Jodhpur breeches and double monk strap shoes. Stunning mirrorwork and marble inlays in a bathroom are perfect examples of royal decadence from a bygone era. And easy to draw inspiration from when it comes to fashion. A little east meets west, if you will, in this grey checkered convertible bundi worn over a slim black shirt teamed with skinny denims and custom black loafers. Since I got here, I've been trying to imagine all the events that took place here and the life they led. If these walls could talk, the stories they'd have would be legendary. A tribute to those that came before us and the legacy they left us to enjoy today is the inspiration for the last look. A black and white checkered convertible bundi worn over a black and white short kurta teamed with distressed skinny denims and suede loafers. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and share it and subscribe to AskMen India for more on luxury lifestyle. This is Ridge Epen signing off.